Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Toronto's Pearson International Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your luggage stowed till the aircraft has come to a completed final stop at the terminal building and the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. I'd like to remind you that you may not smoke or use headphones until you are inside the terminal building. If you'd like to use a cellular phone or electronic device, please wait till the aircraft has come to a full stop at the gate. This is the termination of our flight 034. I'd like to remind you to take all your personal belongings with you. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments. Some of the articles may have shifted during flight. Should you require planning assistance, please remain in your seat until most passengers have left. At that time, we'll be happy to assist you. Once again, if you need assistance with connecting flights, you may check with our ground staff here in Toronto, or you may also check the monitors inside for gate and time of departure of your next flight. Once again, on behalf of Air Canada and our Star Alliance partners, we'd like to thank you for traveling with us. It's been a pleasure having you on board. We hope you enjoyed the flight, and we'd like to wish you all a very pleasant afternoon. Thank you and goodbye. Local time it is